Welcome to Shadowing Stories. In this channel, you practice English by listening, reading, and repeating calmly. Take your time, relax, and enjoy the process. In today's world, we share many parts of our lives. We share photos, thoughts, and feelings every day. Sharing has become very easy and very fast. Social media encourages us to share everything. Sometimes we share without thinking too much, but not everything needs to be shared. Some thoughts are personal and private. They help us understand ourselves better. Keeping them private can bring clarity. When we share too much, we may feel exposed. Not everyone understands our story. Privacy can protect our emotions. Silence can be powerful. It gives us time to reflect and grow. Not every moment needs an audience. Sharing less can help us feel calmer. It reduces the pressure to explain ourselves. Peace often comes from simplicity. Some dreams are fragile at the beginning. Sharing them too early can weaken them. It is okay to protect your dreams. Listening is sometimes better than speaking. Observation helps us learn more. Wisdom often comes from quiet moments. Not everyone deserves access to your inner world. Trust takes time to build. Choose carefully who you share with. Your journey is unique. Others may not understand your choices. That does not mean you are wrong. Oversharing can create stress and regret. Some words cannot be taken back. Thoughtful silence is often safer. Privacy helps build confidence. You learn to rely on yourself. Inner strength grows in quiet spaces. It is okay to pause before sharing. Ask yourself why you want to share. Clarity comes from awareness. Not every opinion needs a response. Not every message needs an answer. Choosing silence is sometimes a form of wisdom. When you share less, you listen more. Listening builds deeper connections. True relationships respect boundaries. Your energy is valuable. Sharing everything can drain it. Protecting your energy is important. Some experiences are meant just for you. They shape your inner life. They do not need validation. Being private does not mean being lonely. It means being selective. Quality matters more than quantity. In a noisy world, calm is rare. Privacy creates calm. Calm helps us think clearly. You do not owe explanations to everyone. Your life is your responsibility. Freedom comes from self-respect. Sharing wisely builds trust. Sharing everything can break it. Balance is the key. Take time to sit with your thoughts. Let them settle quietly. Understanding comes with patience. You can still be open and kind without sharing everything. Boundaries protect kindness. Privacy allows personal growth. Growth needs space and time. Not everything grows in public. Choose what to share with intention. Your story belongs to you. Sometimes silence is the best answer. Thank you for practicing English with shadowing stories. Remember that progress comes from calm repetition and patience. Take care, and see you in the next story.